Mày y cái này cái tụp à? Bánh bông bẹt. Tao mà mẹ mà núp ai mà ya mẹ yang birthday Christmas. Satu si mẹ ông cũng nữa. Mày nhớ thọ mà mẹ bị maya. Siapa? Ban teriak maya mẹ là mày. Maya lagi cukup angel sah.
Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi bas nyambat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
UMLA ke Mylliem constituency baru ni wiling do. Hakan reduk ya yong ara cara pun riu. Lepli pat ba ki arli Kamra Klas jong ke Ïewrynghep secondary school kebedan hakashnong. Mau nyang la apa shilong. Ya ke Kamra Klas lete hakajinglet ke bakot sanlak 5 ke scheme special rural work program. Hakade ke jok ke sengi ka school kelapun ku bromru ya ki arngut kita men jong ke shnong kata ikong bibiana nong klau badi I jerusi mai nong klau kiblan no yusin yang ubin hei jong ke imlang salang hakashnong ka thau.
Round of applause as Sir cut the ribbon. I getting top 3 kebetulan.
Ikli jong ngene ka skor yaki no hikai baro ki bai tre sitam yaki kmi ki kpa ki no kersan ya kana ka skor na ka wai ka por sa ka wai ka por bat khamtam ya phi ki heb ki baret ki bai don na da phim don ma phi kana ka skor kamlong kumne nei da ka jing don jong phi kana ka skor ka ba nginang sedang nadu ki kelas nursery ha kito ki por abang ipet Ngerengi penpau kajing sungu yu blay habang yu I hadu katne kana kaskor kajongi kalau kiyo hadu kana kelas 10 te kebenengkong nakantu ya pi kum ki kana skor ba finetristam pin ko ngo ya ki hikai jong ki kemi ki kpa nengkong pin ko ngo ya ki no hikai pilong ki ba don buram dan akor habijing im kajong pi dia kana kapor ngamnam kerem cerong nakaliang jongi kom ka managing committee nikit bong ikir uyang ni kana kasngi berkhamtam ya MLA ibala tristam bani derengkat bat ngi kana step nak bentaban Plie kana skor bat hakipor baro ngi sania bat ngi IT MLA ba inang pet ya kana skor ka bangi inang peniat sprang
ngani ka step kumata ka pakarpang kalong ba kathong jongi bangi wan sene kalong ba in play ya kani Kamra Klas kabatamai kabala no sinyang da MLA bi jungi to ka jing stress tam ka jungi nyawa man pan kelador kani ka school man ngits kamru kamdai man ko tang kani ka wai ndeng in stress tam met man sempat nakaliang ka silo nakaliang ka school managing committee mangin nang la man pan kelador susu yang kani ka school makalong ka school ka bapranai Omtang ya kani ka sinong jungi hindi jong ka time Mylliem ni barok ko.
Kathan Mylliem, kathan jungi, kathan Ïewrynghep, kasnong badap, kasuk kasan, bakun haki kana, nawan yang lay, syaum serpi, jinglong terbang jongka. Long sinsur burung akor nadu kilong menspra Kathan Mylliem, kathan jungi, kathan Ïewrynghep, kasnong badap, kasukasan, batbul haki kana.
Hoi 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 kiu
Kathan Mylliem, kathan jungi, kathan Ïewrynghep,
from our social service society, we are doing as much as we can, supporting some of you, at least some of you, to attend the school, maybe through fees or school uniforms or books, copies like that. But it is your part, your responsibility to go ahead, work hard, and go higher and higher in your studies. And I'm thankful to you, dear our the Rengbashno, Mr. Giri, we call him Giri only. Thank you so much, sir. Always he is there to support us. And our social service society, we are here to support the people, or to give our service to the people of this Maunyangala, not only Maunyangala. We have started from Khatarmer onwards, all the schools, village schools especially, those who are needy, supporting them in their studies. Studies in a way, like not only supporting financially, tuition also we used to do. We are planning to do that here also. We have computer classes also meant for students and those who are in need. Students are most welcome to come to our institute to attend computer class. During vacation, many of them came to attend the computer class. Now also we invite you, maybe after class hours, till 4 o'clock we are there, or 4:30, like that. You can come and attend the computer class, and in the near future we will start tuition classes also for those who are in need of our support.
I kuble kam tam ya principal jo phi badang khna badan kaman sem ke jinkit khle but kumjo ya kini ki de khot jong ka managing committee ngai ke jinget re lang jo phi lala ban pan kalai ke ne school hadu kan ne ha ka por bangawan mancha kane ka school kam da ikop than kum kata ka jaka pule le da phi pet manta pat kane kala nang wandur kala ikop kum ka jaka pule mat na try kata ka jingero kadai hapo ka jingelam jong principal jo phi Stafford Ranger udai parlok jonga but kinong hikai barokhait but barokhait kebedan menta kidkhot jong managing committee ngai hang ne ba center ba long irang ba shnong ba chairman imado but kini kiwe kilong keme jong kongjos but kini kiwe kilong keme kebedan hang ne na ki khat prangot kinong hikai dan tang sangut kinong hikai senrang dengan try mangi kum mangaru nong mi khmat ba phi kinong punya school ki de khot jong managing committee ki kme ki kpa kat kebiadan hang ne pat kham tam ya kine ki student senrang jongi na try ni hab khamele shitam kandia de kane de philet hakjala jongi keleng saudong pini ba kila kham ya chakmat ki kan thai banek senrang kade ki kai ke basutna haba ki kan thai ru ki ya chakmat tang balong bakan bha kalong yeng long sem bakan bha ke imlang salang bakan bha nadong sedong kamot kishen rang jungiru ki hab ya chakmat tekane ngasmu khia ba namar ba lada ulong kini ulong kpa ummen umlong utau bola biang ban pet ya ka yeng ka sem ki imlang salang ngasngau ka sadon ka jingta ikolong yeng long sem te hangne nga kentu ya ki nongi kairu kumjo igi khot jong ka managing committee ban pet ba ki kunchen rang ru ki dei ban mentally sister is just related that she managed to get hold of some dropout students who have dropped out, got them into school after attending for a few months or few years. The one of the dropout students dropped out again. So I think this is a serious issue, and it's been known. It's publicly known. It's in the public domain that Meghalaya till now has the highest school dropout rate per capita. I think this is a serious issue. That's why on my part, I always try to contribute to the infrastructure of the school buildings, institutions, so that, like for example, the principal is related. We've got about more than 500 students here. He wish he could accommodate more, but because of lack of space, he cannot accommodate more. So this is a serious issue because they're all young, and these young students, We can say they are like raw uncut diamonds. How do we bring them as polished diamonds, as finished product? It's up to all of us. So I take this seriously because the state needs more personnel for its development, be it health, be it in the social sector, be it in so many other sectors. We're still lacking manpower, we're still lacking the expertise, the specialized manpower to take our state forward.
Had a long day, feeling drained? Let Hello Meghalaya lift your mood. Right there on your phone. Movies, music, infotainment, live streams, all in one place. Content you can enjoy together, laugh together, learn together, right at home with your family. Easy to access, easy to download. Register in just a few simple steps. So why wait? Download Hello Meghalaya now.